push the stalk once, and then to turn them off, push once again and pull once. Push twice, once, twice. To turn them off, pull once. Daytime running lights on auto mode, which is this guy here on the stalk. You see the auto and the small arrow. Always leave the stalk like this, don't touch them, so you always have daytime running lights. Auto mode is really confusing. I personally don't like it at all, so I always go in manual mode, push twice, pull once. Thanks for watching.